I know you see this hair and I know you want to get into the details. Make sure you stay tuned. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adrienne if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to another hair video. Today we are being sponsored by Wiggins Hair. Y'all know I absolutely love Wiggins. They always send over a bunch of goodies. Here's just a few of the items that they actually sent me. Well, not really a few. This is everything that was in the box. So now we're just gonna jump right into this install. It's such a quick and easy hairstyle, y'all. Like, y'all know wig season is here. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm not trying to deal with no glue and all that good stuff right now. So these easy throw on wigs are my jam. I've been loving all of the wigs that come with this adjustable strap on the inside. It makes it a lot easier for it to like fit to my head. Y'all know I have a funny shaped big head, so it's kind of hard for wigs to fit to my head without them being glued down, but whenever they come with these little adjustments on the inside, it makes it super easy for me. And it's really as simple as 1, 2, 3. The easiest install you've probably ever seen. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I love using the black caps underneath my wigs instead of like a flesh tone cap or a brown cap, just because I feel like the black caps make it seem more seamless. I don't know what the science behind a darker base making it look more like your natural skin tone is, or what kind of sorcery it is, but baby, the girls ate when they said to use a black cap instead of a flesh tone one, or to use a darker foundation instead of your same color foundation. I don't know, maybe it has something to do with like the shadows and stuff, but they ate that up. As y'all saw, this unit came straight out the box and it was pre-curled and everything. Literally, all I'm doing right now is going in and cutting some layers to frame my face, just to make it a bit more flattering. And I'm also debulking this hair because it is a very thick wig, which we love, because some of these wigs, child, they be so thin in the wind, but that was not the case for this one. This one was actually a little bit too thick, so in order to make it a little more natural, I decided to go ahead and thin out the bottom of it. Now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm laying down the top and the front of my unit so that it can lay again properly to the shape of my face. I am doing curtain bangs, so it's important that the hair in the front fall towards the front of my face. Also, I always get a lot of questions about my wax stick. I use the Care wax stick. I will leave a link down below for y'all if y'all are interested. But yeah, it's probably the best wax stick that I've used so far. It doesn't leave the hair too heavy and it has a nice hold to it. So yeah, I love this wax stick. So now I'm just adjusting some of these curls. Like I said, it did come pre-curled, but I want the front to lay a little bit differently than the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my flat iron and curl them. Child, I don't know how to explain how to curl this hair. I just learned from watching TV, that's it. I saw a creator on TikTok say to curl your hair first and then go in and finish layering it. So that's what I tried this time, and it actually really worked out in my favor. It was easier to see where you wanted your layers to transition in between each curl when you do it this way, so I highly recommend. Can we just take a moment for the luster of this hair, y'all? When I tell you this wig was a 10 out of 10, this wig had me feeling myself. I didn't pluck the lace or adjust the parting to it, and even with me not doing that, it still looks really good. It's giving, it's late, it's giving with lace, you know, like it just looks so good. And this is what I was telling y'all about going in and readjusting and cutting the curls after they're already curled, because it makes it so much easier to see where you want that curl to lay. I'm pulling at the hair like this because I love a bedhead look. I love a good messy hair look. So I'm trying to pull at it, but it's just so pretty. Like it just keeps falling into place. I don't know what to say. Look how thick that wig is. Like just look at how beautiful and full it is. Oh my goodness. I just can't get over it. I can't get over it. I didn't take time out to like curl this entire wig, but when I do, oh my gosh, y'all. This entire install took me maybe 30 minutes. And that's with like cutting the layers, adjusting the curls, install, everything. The install itself only took about 30 seconds, as y'all saw. But everything else, I'm telling you, 10 out of 10. I don't even remember giving y'all specs on this hair, but this is a 24-inch wig. I don't remember the texture and everything, but I will have it linked down below in the description box if y'all are interested. Make sure y'all check out that link for further details. I'll also have my discount code down there for those who might want to save a little coin. Y'all know I got you. This wig looks so expensive, but it's so affordable, y'all. I just cannot get over it. Just remember, cut, curl, adjust, cut, curl, adjust. For the final touches, I just went ahead and added some of that concealer to my part to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I added some black spray to define that part out. And boom, you got a bombshell. She looks good. I love this wig, y'all. Make sure y'all shop it down below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next one.